Okay, so now that we have this data, let's see how we can group it and then pivot by years. So first we go to Data tab, we select this person's query and double click on it to open the query editor. And now we can open this, we see that we are in the person's query, and we can go to Group By option, which is in the Home tab. And here we must choose the columns which want to group. So this would be the person ID. We add another one, the full name, the department. We want also this one to be grouped, and the email address. Okay, and the year. The year. The new column name would be the same. So let's say total amount, not amount. The operation would be a sum, because we want to sum the amounts for each ID, name, department, and email address, and year. Okay, and the column would be the amount column. Press OK, and we can see that it grouped all the data. It's that simple. Now we have here the total by the columns which you saw a few seconds ago. Okay, now we said that we also want to pivot the year, so to see the years in different columns. So let's see how we can do this as well. We can go to Transform and choose the option Pivot Column. We select the column, it is the year column. No, so here, sorry, here we select the total amount column, because we want to pivot these amounts on every year. Okay, let's see what we have here. The aggregate value function, it would be a sum. We could also use other options, the minimum, the maximum, average, and so on, but now we just want to sum, because actually we grouped the amounts a few seconds ago only to show you the option, but we could do this with only a pivot, because the pivot also aggregates the amounts, so it wasn't necessary to group them. We could only use this option. But now let's choose it. We press OK, and now you can see we have the years in separate columns. We go here, close and load, and you can see it automatically refreshes the query, and you see the data that I presented in the first tutorial. Okay, so now let's open the CSV files and add some new data. For example, for the last person, Ioana Popescu, we will add an amount in 2017. Let's see what happens. So we have to open this amount table or file. Okay, so let's open with Notepad++. Okay, we copy this, paste here, and we will only select change the year. So let's say here in September 28, 2017 she has 8,000. We save it, can close the file, and now if we refresh this query, you can see that in 2017 it automatically puts in Excel the amounts that it found in the CSV file. Okay, so this was the first part, the easiest parts of this tutorial. We'll see in the last one an example of how to link to an SQL database.